guys, so working on my Ford cl9000 cabover. I'm taking and putting window kits in my hub covers. I was just going to go ahead and get new hub covers, but the 4046s were a little higher. You know, probably what I was looking at online anyhow, it's like $15-20 a cover. And well, I found these window kits for like I think it was all in all a little less than $10 a side, so not bad. And why replace the whole thing? I mean, it's just aluminum, you know. So I figured I can just take and replace these. Go ahead and pull these screws out. Alright, so now I gotta pump that out. I'll get in there. Try not to nick up the aluminum. But you gotta try to get it and pry it out. Probably should have done that. I hate that feeling of the oil. Everything feels pretty good. Ran off my finger a little. See if I caught any on the end of my finger. See, I don't see none. Yeah, that's fine. That's good. Then of course I'll top this off. That's what I'm doing. With some nice fresh new oil. Alright, so here is the window kit. This is actually a stemco. Very well built, obviously, since it's OEM. Let's see if it gets part number on it. I guess it don't. You know, they may all be the same, actually, or for most of them. But I just looked up the window kit, stemco window kit for a 4046 stemco hub seal. So, and it'll come up with a part number for this, but it'll be the right one. Yeah, it's like, I think it's like a little less than $10. Yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, it's a lot better than replacing the whole thing. So look at that. Shoot, wind blowing it around. Alright, well, now just take and stick your finger in here, put a little oil around this right here, around your plug, go around the edge of it here, just a little bit. This helps pop it in, that way you don't have to force it so hard. That is it. That's all it takes. Pretty simple.